Hi, welcome to Harisystems. In this session today we will learn the select tag on ReactJS concepts. In HTML, select creates a drop-down list. For example, in HTML we will see in a select tag simple. I'll write and I'll show you two components. Select for end tag, select in between option value equal to, will take colors red, red, close with option. Similarly, 2, 3, 4, blue, green, yellow, blue, green, yellow. Here, see, this is the example of a select button in our regular manner HTML. Whereas somewhere in ReactJS, it's very simple to invoke. See, I will show you the existing form code is there with our manner. I'm taking straight away this code. Yeah, you'll see here on form there is a label is here available. Yeah, up to this one only I am removed. Yeah, paste the selected, that value that equal to, that value that equal to, same thing. Actually we have removed it. Oh, sorry. This dot state dot value. Similarly on change, that equal to this dot handle change, and the terminator of this option is here. Move to the option. Yes, okay. Now yeah, we value this dot state dot value on change, this dot handle change on change. Now we will see here the default selected item. We can also write for it pick your favorite color. Favorite color. See here, the output is ready here. See, red, blue I have submitted. Selected item is came here, and green I have selected. Green is selected item. On index, yellow, it's on a select item is yellow. That much of pretty simple. Once you thoroughly fixed a class on form, overall the things what I have covered, the sessions, input type text area and the select, all work very similar. That concepts accepts the value attribute that you can implement. It's in a controlled component environment. That's all. I hope you better understand about the concepts of select tag in this session. Please subscribe, like, share and comment any of your views regarding this. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.